Now we learn about that properties tools. So actually this properties tools is nothing but manually change of your layer. Okay, so suppose you have a block here or layer. So this is the layer of door. It's a door layer. Or if you select here, then this is the layer of S dimensions from here. But sometimes if you need to change that value manually, suppose I want to change that value manually, from here I'll click, and they have two options: by layer, by block. So if you select by layer, that means this items color will change as per your layer. But if you want to set, or if you want to go for another color or manual color, then you can select any color from here. Suppose if I click here, then it will change. If I go for in that color, it will change. Also, if you want to change, why actually it's required? Because if you change any property from that specific layer from here, then everything will change, or that related items of this layer will change on everywhere. But if you select a specific portion, and if you want to change it, then you are able to do that. Okay, so same as if you want to change the thickness, suppose here if you want to change the thickness or anything, then also you can do it, just line thickness. And also if you want to change the line type or anything, just see, you can change it from here. So you can change anything with a specific data. Just see, this is also SDIM, and this is also SDIM, but they have far difference between them. Now suppose you need to change it again previous, simply come here and click here, then you will get the color by layer. Also you can click here and you can click here by layer, and also click here and you can click here by layer. Just see, it will change as per your previous. So that was the way to use your properties, color, thickness and its line type change.